marvelous. Temperature is fantastic. Sunny day. So let's spend the whole day long riding. Will be marvelous. Today's tip will be things that will help you when you're riding in Manhattan, to ride your bicycle in Manhattan. So the places, I'm going uphill. Here, the only hills they have, near the city, are the bridges. First step. If you are in Queensboro Bridge, stay aside because there are lots of electric bikes, and see, they come, they pass you by so fast that you won't have the time to get out. So if you're going slowly or just regular like me, stay aside, almost in the pedestrian part. If there's no pedestrian, it's amazing. And if there's no pedestrians, you can even stay, near it. Beware. It's a great place, but they come so fast. See, I was going over, but I realized that comes an electric one. Beware. Queensboro Bridge. A lot of people go to work, especially today is Monday, so you have to watch out. They go to work in all kinds of cycling, bicycles, electrics, First thing you have to watch out when you get out of this bridge, the Queensboro Bridge, is this curve. It's too narrow, and I've seen so many almost crashes. And here and over there, in that corner, so many crashes. It's amazing. New York. New York has a lot of places for you to ride your bicycle protected. And what they did was the first street, this one, goes uptown. And the second street goes downtown. And it's all the way north to south. It's good. That they are supposed to wait for you, but you better watch it because sometimes they don't see you. But the law says that bicycles have priority, is that how you say? The nice thing about these routes in Manhattan, they have, placa to tell you which is the best route, how to get there. It's very nice. Work. It's protected. There's cars stopping there, and you kind of protected here. There's so you have to watch it because sometimes they do go in without seeing you, but sometimes they do. And if you are slower than the other bikes, if you're not in a hurry as they are, stay on your left side. Yes. Interesting, isn't it? And there's light in here. From here, you can go to the west side, see, the 55th. There's a lot of streets that go to the west, sometimes they go to the east. Just look at the Google map and you find out so many great roads to ride in your bicycle. Okay, if there's no bike path in the road, the street, you must ride at the same way as the cars. So like the guy is in the wrong way. Another thing is that you have to stop for the light. And look how many people go. It's amazing. bicycles. So the cars couldn't come in, could turn in, but I could get through. Warm that I need no coat, but tomorrow it will be freezing again. So let's enjoy today. Put 2 Ziplocs at your hands. I like it. Let's go. This is such a beautiful ride. I love to ride here. Especially today, look at it. No gloves, no coat, no nothing. It's pretty warm. You better enjoy it today. Sometimes you have to dismount and walk with your bike. And that's no problem because it's so beautiful. Look at it. Ah, today is a marvelous day. So warm. Look how cool. That's Washington Square Block. In the summertime, this middle here has a beautiful fountain that everybody gets inside it. So good. Let's get riding. This bike path, it's so cool. Look the size of it. And it goes straight to World Trade Center. One of my favorites. Yes, it's windy. New York sometimes gets so windy. Look at it. It's so cool. Feels like you're going uphill. Wow. It's windy. Thing to do in the wind is to lower your body to give less resistance to get out of the wind. Just go to smaller roads that are protected from the wind, so that helps a lot. See, now here is so good, so calm. Take you to a place that's so classic to eat. Has been here in New York. Let me show you how long. It's amazing. Since 1988. And that's fantastic. And you go there, you order all different kinds of sandwich, and they do it right in front of you. It's so cool.